last week's episode, we battled seasickness and challenging seas during our 4-day passage across the Bay of Biscay. So far, we have covered 1,574 nautical miles, but we still have a long way to go to get to Sweet Home, Alabama. This week, we sailed along the gorgeous Spanish coastline and used the time away from offshore sailing to catch up on our real work while anchor hopping our way to Vigo, Spain.
Sometimes I'm a little bit jealous of those sailors who are either retired or they sold everything they owned and they invested all of their life savings into the sailing dream and they don't have to work. And that would be nice too, I think. But at the same time, we're so lucky that we do have jobs that allow us to do this. And so when we do have to work instead of sail, or when we have to work instead of play and explore and visit a new place, it's okay because at least we're out here and it's totally worth it.
But even though we must work while taking this sailing voyage, we try to take the time to appreciate all of our experiences. The heavy, high-drama blue water adventures, and the calm, light days when we are just happy to be on the water. We departed from CARUñA and enjoyed a light day of sailing on our way to Praia de Osmo.
I've been a pump engineer for like 15 years now, and it's good to be a pump engineer on a boat, isn't it? Oh, and I've been working for a major pump company for 10, 12 years, and then I thought it was time to do something different, something that would not tie me to an office, and so I started my own company. My company is an engineer trading company, so we're still with water and wastewater equipment, and I have a good team, a good shore team, and we have Zeefolkers, which is my offshore office.
I've been a journalist for more than 30 years, but I did spend a lot of time in an office, and it's very confining. And standing in that office, I had a big, huge window, but I was on the wrong side of the window. And this is such a great opportunity for me to do the work that I'm trained to do, that I love to do, and also be out here at sea, which I also love. It's a great way to combine the dream and the opportunity that we have.
We anchored near a private beach and took the opportunity to have just a little bit of downtime.
This is a fun family activity. We are all in this teeny tiny dinghy. And Mike is rowing us off the shore.
Backwards.
Backward in the dinghy. But we're all here and we're cozy. And I don't know if the pups are too impressed yet, but they will be when we get to the beach.
Sail this boat away from here, just for tonight. We won't go far away now. We'll be back by first light. Meanwhile, I'll do everything, do my best to keep your smile. Girl, you're the one that I want, the one who paints my skies.
Now I have my own company, and it's a very small company, and when I say small, that means I have one employee, and that's me. But it's a great gig. I'm able to travel all over the world, and I write mostly for the industrial processing industries, and I write for a lot of international magazines. I mostly write about technology that helps end users solve problems, and my biggest bread and butter topic is pumps. Pumps and pumping systems. That's mostly what I write about. And it's a lot more interesting than it sounds. It can work literally from anywhere in the world as long as I have a phone and my laptop and working internet. Now, sometimes we don't have good internet, and that does cause a problem when we're sailing or even when we're in port or at an anchorage. We don't have good internet. That is a challenge. It's also a challenge for us to find time. We're out and we're sailing on these long passages, 2-3 days at a time at sea, and it's not easy to even do the kind of work I do in those kinds of conditions. So when we're at port, while other people are having fun and going to restaurants and sightseeing and exploring, we get to do a little bit of that too, but most of the time that's when we work. And it's okay, because this is our reality, and this gives us a chance to combine the dream with the reality.
I think the greatest challenge is switching gears from the offshore life to the shore life. Today we have like all kinds of gadgets and technology available that helps us connect with our shore friends and clients and work. It's just sometimes, like psychologically, it's sometimes really difficult to switch from a passage plan or a raft passage to the Bay of Biscay to what's the price for this, what's the delivery time for that, you know? This kind of switching gears is my greatest challenge.
We set out again early the next morning, and this time we took a little sail to the end of the earth.
Be somebody who matters, and I wanna see the world from higher heights, and I wanna dream and watch in different shadows. Could it be that we could make it right? Oh, we've got everything we need just to change the future. You know it's buried deep inside our chest. If we weren't so afraid to bleed from the words of others, we could just let our hearts beat and love the rest. Oh, we've got everything it takes just to make a difference. You know it's buried way inside our bones. If we weren't so afraid to break from the weight of failure, we'd help the broken everywhere we go. You know, I wanna be somebody who's braver, and I wanna feel responsibility. Oh, 'cause it's real. I could be a lifesaver.
In this moving environment, when the hell do we have time to work? I'll be honest, when we are out here, I hardly ever work. Maybe I answer a phone call or reply to an email shortly. But we work when we're in port or in anchorage. And this is also sometimes, I look at people who just, you know, go out, restaurants, sightseeing, or just relaxing at the beach while we are sitting there working. But on the other hand, it's like, okay, this is our opportunity. We have this opportunity to work that way and combine our dream with the necessity of work.
I have set my sails on fire.
While at Anchorage, Mike had some more work to take care of, so this time the SEADOGs and I went to shore with one less human in the dinghy.
But I still wished I was in your sea. I had buried my wandering heart deep into the earth. 'Cause when we were about mountaintops apart. Oh, how I long for your valley deep. Oh, anywhere I run, I can see the sun, 'cause you are the light in my eyes, in my eyes. Anywhere I go, I can feel your soul burning like the stars in the sky, in the sky. And I'm like, baby, keep the lights on. Maybe start a fire. Don't you know that I'm coming home? Oh, for good this time. Oh, anywhere I run, I can see the sun, 'cause you are the light in my eyes, in my eyes. Anywhere I go, I can feel your soul burning like the stars in the sky, in the sky. And I'm like, ooh. And I see after all these miles that we're meant to be wild and wild and free and never in style. But we would be together and smile at all the memories of you and me. Anywhere I run, I can see the sun, 'cause you are the light in my eyes.
I really want to thank my clients and my suppliers who have a lot of understanding for what we're doing. And I know it's not always easy for them either, because today you expect that you're always available. So I know it takes a lot for them too to work around our schedule. Thank you very much for that.
White is my favorite color. Love is my favorite war. The ocean is my favorite lover. And the sun, my beloved cure. Embracing the plunge, chasing the sun are my ideas of having fun. Until you came my way, didn't want me to change. Love me, just for me, enjoy my parade. You're my kind of crazy. You set my soul so free. And this might sound kind of hasty, but you and the summer are all I need.
On Saturday morning, we needed to make an earlier departure. This time, we had a deadline. Mike needed to go to Germany for a week for work, while I stayed in port and took care of my work, and of course, I took care of the SEADOGs.
Don't get me wrong, I love my life. These concrete walls, these city lights. What I'm about to say, it won't make no sense, but I gotta get it off my chest. There's so much more than where you're from. It's in the fabric of your soul. I just wanna go home, where everybody knows me home, and I make all my memories home. I just wanna go
We arrived in Vigo to bright sunny skies. While Mike was away working, the pups and I explored this beautiful city. But the nice weather didn't last long. By midweek, Hurricane Leslie was threatening. In our next episode, Mike races back from Germany and we prepare Sea Falca for the worst storm to hit the Iberian Peninsula since 1842. Fortunately, we didn't get the full brunt of the storm, and we were able to set sail for Portugal. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for us below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For exclusive content and other rewards, please consider joining our crew on Patreon. You can also find much more details about all our adventures by reading our online logbooks. All the links are in the description below.